Prenil, from a customer perspective, what does this partnership unlock both for existing Akamai customers looking to adopt streaming infrastructure and for Redpanda users who need global distribution and edge proximity?
Yeah, that's a good question. And I think Zeke nailed some of the value prop there. So, think about it. If you're a developer, you're an existing Akamai customer, you're trying to build a real-time streaming application, an AI application, an agentic application. You need access to data, and you need access to data really quickly. You need access to data in milliseconds. Now, when you're building on the Akamai cloud, when you're building and leveraging the Akamai network, with this partnership, now you have data sitting where your compute is, right? With the Redpanda technology running on the Akamai platform. Now you have one of the best performing real-time streaming technologies available at your disposal right where you're building your application. So that's a huge unlock and a huge value add for Akamai customers. For Redpanda customers, they're already used to some of those efficiency gains on a per node basis. Now they have access to the distributed Akamai network, the largest distributed network in the world, which is purpose-built, designed for performance, latency, scale, and cost efficiencies. So it suddenly unlocks this whole platform to be able to build applications really where your users are, really, really close to users, which is more and more relevant in this new phase of AI and agentic applications where latency and throughput is more and more important. And it's not just a theory. We've also tested this ourselves. So just like Zeke spoke about his benchmarking on Linode, we've also used Redpanda for our own products in the past, and we've seen significant gains. We've seen about 55% improvements in TCO just by leveraging and adopting this new technology. So, some of our existing products already work on this tech. And we only think the benefits will compound as we have more customers, more data, more large applications being built on this platform.
Zeke, can you walk us through the technical fit? How do Redpanda and Akamai complement each other architecturally, and what new use cases or performance improvements can enterprise expect when combining real-time streaming with Akamai's distributed edge network?
So at a high level, Redpanda and Akamai are solving two halves of the same problem. How to run basically intelligent real-time applications globally with predictable low latency and high performance computing. So Akamai Cloud is designed to route requests to the edge that is closest to the CPUs, to the GPUs, which provides the best low latency performance and gives you a secure agentic workload. Now, Redpanda really complements this because we are the fastest streaming technology out there. And not only are we the fastest, but we give consistent low latency. So P999 till infinity, you'll never have an interruption in latency experience. So the performance win comes from proximity and flow. When you deploy Redpanda on Akamai's distributed cloud, customers can run real-time streaming workloads closer to where the data is generated, at the edge. So an AI system is waiting on round trips to a centralized region just to fetch context or to an event. So that means faster decisions, a more responsive agentic workload, and a better global consistency. And this, from a customer perspective, this partnership is designed to be straightforward to consume. Customers can purchase a solution through Akamai Cloud when they're on Linode with unified channels and a clear support model. So Akamai handles the commercial side while Redpanda supports the software. Now, in terms of use cases, I'll give you three of them. Agentic AI at the edge. So multi-step agents need to run repeated low latency inference calls and continuously refresh their context streams at the edge. So you have your LLMs, you have your GPUs, and the real-time applications all on the same node on Akamai Inference Cloud. Next is global IoT ingestion and real-time automation. So millions of devices producing streams that need immediate filtering, enrichment, and action. And finally, personalization and customer experience, serving real-time recommendations and conversational experiences globally without any of the lag you might if you have, an application on the other side of the world. The headline is simple. Akamai provides a distributed inference and secure envelope, while Redpanda provides real-time streaming and agentic data governance on their platform. So together we can run a globally distributed real-time AI systems that are faster and easier to operate at scale.